John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you're excited to learn how to draw this fun little Joker character, I think this lesson will be great for you. Well, if you just like to draw, this lesson will be perfect for you. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this fun lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.